This is a quick puzzle to get people into place of value a little bit. And what we're doing is we're going to set up a multiplication. And this multiplication involves the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a place value table. And what we've got to do with these digits is make a correct equation that involves these digits and the place value table in such a way that no digits share the same place value, or the same place value column, you could say. So I guess first, how do we make a multiplication? So for example, I could just simply do that. That would be, well, so we can see the 1 and the 3 are in the same place value column, of course, and that's not allowed in this puzzle, but, well, that's against the constraints. But 1 times 3, or in this case 10 times 30, would give me the value of 300, and then I would put that there. And so you can see that I've got my 10, my 30 in the tens column, and I've got my 3 in the hundreds column, or my second 3. Now, I'm not allowed another 3. I'm not allowed things in the same column, and of course, I've got a 4 and a 2 to use. So this is not a solution at all. So anyway, let's see if we can get to seeing how else this might work. So one of the things I suppose that could be important is, I mean, I can try something else. So let's see what happens if I try this. So I've got 3 times 0.2. So again, in this case, I'm going to need another digit. I'm going to need that 6. And of course, this is 0.2 and a 0.6. So 3 times 0.2, 0.6. But that just shows what happens if I move columns. You don't need to worry about the decimal point because the column is there to show you how it is meant, what value it is meant to have. And you don't need to worry about zeros because anywhere there's no space, there is a 0, and so that's taken care of as well. So that's the idea, and of course I can move things around, and then as they move, that changes other things. So as I move this the 2 from 0.2 to now it's 20, that's become 3 times 20, which equals 60. And of course I can, you can see they kind of move together, and wherever they go, that's going to change that. And of course I could move the 3 and the 6. And that's kind of what we're looking to do. And we're going to find out what values. Of course, we'd need to use the 4 and 1 in that. It goes without saying, and we couldn't use the 6. But what values could we do so that those 4 digits could be placed in the place value and make a valid multiplication?